Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, April 18th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we had another down day today. The Dow Jones Industrial Averages closed down 81 points. I understand that, they're having a lot of corporate earnings coming out, and there were some good earnings this morning, but Bank of America really fell out of bed, and that kind of put a damper on the market today. I am not too sure that this looks so bad today. I can kind of see some evidence of some consolidation, and I don't see we're going to see any free fall from here. Looked to me like the market is kind of trying to put in a bottom, so I'm not too worried about it. And of course, part of my optimism has to do that we didn't lose money today like we did yesterday. We only had two positions coming in Qihoo Technology and in Lululemon Athletica, and we only lost $433 on those. We had a good trade in Qihoo. Lulu didn't do so well for us, but anyway, just a few $100. But then we're actually carrying open trade equity of about $1,800 positive. So overall, I guess that translates into us making money today. So that also takes the edge off of things. Anyway, let's take a look at the charts. Okay, we're looking here at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and you can see we've had quite a bit of negative action in the last 4 days or so. But this is today down here, and I kind of look at this, and I guess I've been looking at markets long enough that I think this thing is kind of putting in a bottom. It wouldn't surprise me at all if we saw an up day tomorrow coming out of this. At some point, we're going to get a very powerful up move in this market. This is not a bear market, and it's just doing a little pullback and consolidation. I haven't had much to brag about in the last few days, so let's take a look at a couple things here. This was one decent trade we had in Qihoo Technology, and just a minute, I have to tighten this up a little. Okay, you can see that we bought that 2 days ago on this pop-up, and it looked like a bad trade initially. Pulled right back. We buy this thing right at the tippy top, and then it pulls back. But yesterday it definitely took off, and we started making some money on it, and then it pulled back yesterday, so it was not so good. But then this morning it took off again, and we got out of this pretty darn close to the high. I think we made close to $2,000 on that. And then we got into another trade today, and I basically am showing it to you because this market has been like a hair shirt for us. This is Gol Linhas Aéreas Inteligentes. That's a real mouthful, but it came out of kind of a consolidation phase, and we bought this big breakout here, and it has taken off pretty nicely and is closing with about a $2,000 profit for us. So we have some hopes here for Gol. Anyway, not such a bad day today. This is Trader Bob signing off, and we'll see you tomorrow on Friday.